This is Bryan Blair talking to you about tips on choosing your kitchen flooring. When considering a kitchen tile floor, you really have to think about the design elements you're trying to achieve. Tiles are rated in 4 different ways with regards to just the shade variation. A shade variation of V4 means that it has a lot of shades in the same tile. So you're going to get a more relaxed floor, something that's more rustic looking, if you will. If you're looking for a more modern floor, you'll probably want something a little more monochromatic, and then you would recommend someone a V1, meaning all the tiles are going to be equal in shade, and you won't have very much change of color across your entire floor. These are really important things to think about when you're designing your kitchen floor. Also, the size of the grout joint and the edge detail of the tile are very important. You can imagine if every tile has a chiseled edge detail, you're going to see each and every tile. And you're going to see the edge of the tile exacerbated by this detail. In today's market, we have a tile called a rectified tile, meaning it's been cut after it's fired. This gives us a very well calibrated tile, allowing us to put very, very thin grout joints on the floor. Combined with a low shade variation is the most modern looking floor. In a kitchen, it's important to remember we're going to have food, we're going to have oil, we're going to have vinegars, bleaches, and different other harsh chemicals. These products will damage many of the materials that are on the market today. In a kitchen, we want something that's going to be food safe and easy to clean, and also if it gets wet, we won't be slipping and falling on. We have a lot of choices to choose from today. We have tiles that are made from porcelain, but they look like wood or they look like stone. We have even glass tiles on the market nowadays that are appropriate for floors. However, it's not something I would put in my kitchen. We have a lot of things to consider when we're going to choose a tile floor for a kitchen. The substrate that the tile will go onto is the most important. If you're on a raised foundation and you have a lot of flex in your floor, that's not going to be conducive to a hard surface installation without first putting in a proper substrate. You can use a stronger tile to alleviate the need for a substantial substrate or a substrate buildup. This has been Bryan Blair, helping you choose the best tile for your kitchen floor.